Alright, well here we are. And you know me, I'm always trying to figure out how to do things. Well, this one is actually pretty cool. Back in my day, when I was growing up, I walked uphill both ways. No, so I grew up around brake machines, rotors, drums. So I've done a lot of it. And I'm sitting there, and I have these Artec tone rings that I need to put on this Super Duty. Well, you can see there is a little bit of machining that has to be done for this ring to be a press fit. Now, press fit, I could have just threw it on the machine and started cutting and took a wild guess at that, but I didn't. So I googled press fit, and the internet actually has a ton of knowledge on what exactly is a press fit. So I have this chalked up, my hub on this brake machine, and you can see I am cutting my groove with the drum attachment, and I am grabbing my micrometers and I'm measuring this for a press fit. So never surrender, never give up. This is kind of a good deal. So if you're running the Artec tone rings for your JK and you need to machine that hub, find a good friend. My good friend Scott allowed me to come use his machine, and yeah, I think this is a pretty good video, pretty good quick tip on getting tone rings on your Super Duty axles. I'm super happy with myself, I sure am. Thanks, Dad. I feel like MacGyver right now. MacGyver. That's it. Maybe not that bad, but this is pretty cool. Anyways, we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so there we have it. We got that trimmed. It's about 0.5 or no 500 thousandths for this press fit, and you can tell it's right. I can get it to start going over. It's fitting amazing. This is really cool. I believe with a little bit of tapping we can get that down with some green Loctite, and I mean, you can tell it's fitting perfectly. So the Artec ring tone, with a little bit of perfection, I'll be honest with you, I'm pretty happy with myself on this little discovery. Brake machine, ring tone. This job is going to be complete, and it's going to be awesome. So you see the groove that I made? That's what it looks like. So I'm going to do the second one. One thing I did do is, see, I actually made 2 marks. So I can just do it exactly the same on both. Anyways, I'm just excited. I hope this helps you guys, because it's awesome.